All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on nogi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. All right guys, so I wanna look at a situation where I go to hit my body lock pass, but my opponent's actually gonna lock up a half guard. We're gonna use kind of our underhooks that we already have. We're gonna walk them up and we're gonna come into the mount position. So again, long arm, short arm, head is on the short arm side. I'm diving through, boom. My opponent's heels are to his butt. I'm gonna go to sprawl my left leg down, but this time he's gonna catch the half guard here. So once we get into this position, no problem. I'm gonna use my right arm and start walking it up as I shift my hips over to the other side. Left arm's gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna grip my hands and I'm gonna put my head onto the mat, start walking over. Now I'm gonna use a windshield wiper motion to free my knee into the mount. So let's look at it one more time.